Next category is going to be your manicuring category. Your very first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure to sanitize your hands, and then you're going to want to make sure to sanitize your client's hands. You need a pre-polished mannequin hand that has nails applied that has been polished red, and then you have 3 minutes to do your manicure setup. During your 3-minute setup, you're going to make sure to go ahead and take your implements out of their packaging and place them into your alcohol. You want to go ahead and loosen your red polish so that once that you do your hand massage that you're not going to be able to not get your red polish open, as well as go ahead and pump your antibacterial soap into your manicure bowl. The supplies that you're going to need are at least 3 towels, 2 for your setup and 1 for drying the hands. You're going to need to go ahead and apply your protectant across your towels. Take your trash bag to your station setup, Germex, antibacterial soap, polish remover, lotion, red nail polish, cuticle remover. You'll need pledgets or cotton swabs to remove. When we are removing the polish, we always recommend to use these. Your alcohol sanitizer, or considered a wet sanitizer with the alcohol solution inside of it, your nippers and cuticle pusher, manicure bowl and brush, emery board, and you have an orange wood stick as an option if you would like to use it to either push back the cuticles, or if you need to wrap some of your cotton around it and use to clean up the edges of your polished manicure hand. So we begin by using our polish remover, and the reason that we have you go ahead and use these particular cotton swabs is so that you can go ahead and saturate your cotton ball and apply it onto your red polished nail tip and let it soak for just a minute. If you allow it to soak, the polish will be removed much easier and much cleaner. Red polish tends to smear everywhere, so if you'll kind of be patient with it, it will work out really well. Okay, so you always want to make sure that when you're removing the polish, you want to take it and drag down instead of smearing it everywhere. Keep it as clean as possible and remove as much as possible. Keep in mind you have 13 minutes, so there's no need to rush through this category. Inside of the 13 minutes, removing the polish is probably what takes the longest. So don't stress about removing that and feeling like it's taking a long time. Okay, once you've removed all of the red nail polish, we're going to shape and file. Anytime that you shape and file, you want to make sure to shape from the outer corner in. You never want to saw back and forth. So you're going to shape outer corner to the inside, outer corner to the inside. Once you shape and file, you're going to take your cuticle remover, and you want to make sure to not actually place the tip of this on the skin, that you want to hover over the back of the nail and place your cuticle remover in the correct position. Your orange wood stick now will be to take and move your cuticle remover to the desired area. Make sure to cover the cuticle area so that we can soften and push back the cuticles before we remove the excess dead skin. Once you've done this, you're going to move your manicure bowl over here. You're going to take your mannequin hand and position it the best that you can inside of the manicure bowl. Take and brush off any excess product. And then you're going to dry the hand and wipe it clean. Your next step of the manicure is to push back the excess cuticle. Now you're going to mock nip away the extra skin. Remember that your cuticle is not living skin, so it does no harm. You need to remove it. The eponychium is the skin tissue that you would not be able to cut and trim. Your next step is going to be to perform a hand massage. I'm going to make sure when you're performing your massage, do your best to keep your mannequin hand in a position as if your client were really sitting in front of you, and not actually take it and like move it around like this where it wouldn't be possible. So they can obviously bend their wrist up, their elbow like that, and they can do this motion right here. So give them a nice, good, clean hand massage. Okay, at this point you're going to want to remove the excess lotion off the nail tip before you polish. When applying the polish, the important thing is to coat and cover the nail evenly and to cap the ends. So you take your orange wood stick and a little bit of your cotton, and you're going to swirl it around to the ends, tighten it on there. And if you need to do any cleanup at all, you'll take this and use it. And this completes the category for your manicure, your state board manicure.